Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and change this battery on this 2017 GMC Terrain. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, we're going to go ahead and remove this battery cover. See this push tab right here? You push down, you push a little up, and then you push to the right and it comes right off. Now we're going to go ahead and remove this electronic engine control module, and it's held down by this 10mm bolt, which is right here. So we're going to get our extension with our long neck and remove that. Now we're just going to lift it up. Go to the right and then pull up, and then you have access to the battery. Then this plastic cover, we're going to go ahead and remove it. It's held on by these little tabs, and there's a little fitting right here that you just put in your screwdriver, then you just pop it up and then they come out. So we're going to do that. There's 3 of them, 1, 2, 3. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Alright, so we took off the little grommets. Now we can lift up this plastic piece. And you see here, we have access to the 10mm bolt, which holds down the battery. So let's go ahead and remove that bolt. Then this other bolt here too, on top. Alright, right here I'm going to switch up to this ratchet just for safety purposes. And then also we're going to go ahead and get one of these. And then this is a 10mm. And if you see here, you got the positive. And then you got some metal here, so I didn't want to touch anything. So that's why I went with this. So make sure you don't touch any metal because it will spark. It's a positive. So we're just going to remove that. Then here, 10mm bolt for the negative. It's on top right here. We're just going to loosen that up and remove that. Alright, this is the battery that came out. We're going to go ahead and check it. Right now it's charging, but if it's a bad battery, we're going to go ahead and replace it. That's how you take it out. Very easy. So hopefully this helps you guys. Take care.